Hello everyone. Today we are going to understand this poem, The Squirrel. This poem is written by Mildred Bowers Armstrong. In this poem he describes a squirrel he saw in his garden. So let's begin with the poem. He wore a question mark for tail and overcoat of grey. This line means that the squirrel's tail was observed as a question mark, but the reason of this formation was that the squirrel's tail was bent. Also, it had a grey overcoat. The poet called it an overcoat in poetic language, that is, the language used by poet. Further, the poet says that he sat up straight to eat a nut. This line means that the poet saw a squirrel sitting upright on a tree in his garden and eating nuts. After that, the poet says that he liked to tease and play, and if ran around his tree, he went the other way. Here he refers to the squirrel. This means that the squirrel is a cute and funny animal that likes to play and run here and there. It is not frightened of humans. It teases and plays with them. And to do so, it would run around the tree, but from the opposite side. So, from this poem, we came to know that a squirrel's behavior is just like a child who loves to play and tease others, but still seem to be really cute and also naughty. So, let us start discussing question and answers of the textbook. Question number 1. Why does the poet say the squirrel wore a question mark for tail? Draw a squirrel or find a picture of a squirrel sitting on the ground. How would you describe its tail? Answer. The poet said the squirrel wore a question mark for tail because the shape of the bent tail of the squirrel sitting resembled a question mark. I would describe it as a bunch of furry clothes with brown strips worn by the squirrel at its back, which asks the question, what? Question number 2. Do we usually say that an animal wears a tail? What do we say? Answer. No, we do not usually say that an animal wears a tail. We usually say that animal has a tail because tail is a part of the squirrel. Also, the poet said this in a poetic language, that is, the language used by poet. Question number 3. He liked to tease and play. Who is teasing whom and how? Here, he refers to the squirrel. So, the squirrel is teasing the poet and his friends. When the poet and his friends ran around the tree on which the squirrel is sitting, it does not get frightened but went the other way, teasing and playing with them. Having observed the squirrels around us, can we say that a squirrel is a fast-paced animal? The answer to this question is yes. Based on our observation of the squirrels around us, we can say that a squirrel is a fast-paced animal. We rarely come across squirrels sitting still. We see them sitting still usually when they are eating nuts, which are their favorite. Mostly, we see the squirrels running from one place to another with great energy, sometimes with fear and sometimes in a manner to play along with others of their own kind.